Okay, so before I went to bed, I slowed this down. So it said it was going to take 8 hours, but I slowed it down to just, I didn't want it to go crazy while I was asleep. So that's like, I mean, that's amazing. Anyway, so the 8 hour print at 100% speed was supposed to take, well, it was supposed to take 8 hours. Right now, estimated time left is 4 hours, 19 minutes out of 10 hours and 40 minutes. So it just made it, I guess 2 hours longer. So, but it's really, really, really good. I mean, really crisp on the inside. Yeah. On the outside, you can see it. Excellent. Right on. I'll keep you guys posted. This is sweet. It's even huge. Peace.